Time I'll talk about ordered fractions. In this question, you need to make a few loops and then you can find all the combinations of the denominator and numerator. So here's my code. After reading in n, which is the maximum denominator, I pushed back two fractions that are definitely going to exist, and I made a fraction structure here. It's basically the same thing as a pair, but then I just made a new one so that it can be more obvious that it's a divided by b. So first, we know that 0 over 1 and 1 over 1 will definitely be in this fraction list as the maximum and minimum number. So then I find out the combinations. I is the numerator of this question. So I is the denominator of this question. So for example here, you would add 1 over I. So because we know that all of them will have a 1 over this new denominator itself, and then we find all the other possible numerators. Here's another loop to check if the numerator can be simplified. So basically, if the numerator and denominator are both divisible by one number, then that means that they can be simplified and we don't need to add them. We'll just add the simplified version. For example, 2 over 6, and it's the same thing as 1 over 3. Then we would have already added 1 over 3 into the answer, so we don't have to add 2 over 6 again. And if this is not simplified, if this fraction cannot be simplified, then you just push back this new fraction. At the end, you sort the list of answers. Here's the comparing function for you to compare which fraction is bigger, so then it will sort it properly. And then at the end, you print out all the answers for this question.